Hello and welcome to our channel, Science Kids. Today, we will talk about two big mysteries which might not be known to the public but are certainly interesting. Thought of the day by Roger Federer. There is no way around the hard work. Embrace it. Word of the day. The first one I will say, the next one Nishan. Vamos means we go in Spanish.
Au revoir means bye in French.
Joke of the day. Why do people say break a leg when you go on stage? Because every play has a cast. So fun. So, let's start with our mystery number one. What is it? Guess this image. Looks like the Moai statue. Yes, it is. The Moai statue. Easter Island. Easter Island is located in the Pacific Ocean, the Union Territory of Chile, and it is also the loneliest place on the planet with a population of 7,750 people. It's famous for its Moai statue. It is 2,300 miles away from Chile and 2,500 miles away from Tahiti. Moai statue. Moai statues were carved between the years 1250 and 1500. Nearly half are still at Rano Raraku, the main Moai quarry, but hundreds were transported from there and set on stone platforms called Ahu around the island's perimeter. Almost all Moai have overly large heads, 33/8 the size of the whole statue. The Moai are chiefly the living faces, Aringa Ora of the fine ancestor, Aringa Ora Arta the Tepuna. The statue still gaze inland across their clan lands. When Europeans first visited the island in 1722, but all of them had fallen by the latter part of the 19th century. The Moai were toppled in the late 18th and early 19th centuries, possibly as a result of the European contact and internalized tribal wars. The production and transportation of the Moai were more than 900 statues. They are in the range of 6 to 33 feet. What was the material to build a Moai statue? The Moai statues were built from a volcanic rock called Rano Raraku. The Rano Raraku tuff is a sedimentary rock made from layers of air, plain, partially fused and partially cemented volcanic ash, fairly easy to carve but very heavy to transport. My theory of the Moai statue. Like the Egyptian cultures of mummies, same with the people of Easter Island. They used to make sculptures instead of Egyptians who used to bury them. These can be transferred using ancient machines. Because of a disease, people died when the Europeans came to Easter Island in the 1700s. They might have had the disease which killed the people who died. Okay, so we have a new element in our video called Time to Research. You should research about the question. Then type the answer in one word or a sentence in the comment section below with Q1 with the answer. Whoever writes the correct answer and comments first will hear their name in the next video. My question is, what is Rapa Nui? What happens when two galaxies collide? This question, Nishant, is the second mystery.
What happens when two galaxies collide? We will also cover what will happen when the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies will collide. Galaxies are large groups of stars. They can have between 1,000 and many trillions of stars. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has a diameter of 100,000 light years. Some examples of galaxies are Messier 87, IC 1101, and the Andromeda Galaxy. The types of galaxies. The three broad types of galaxies are elliptical galaxies, spiral galaxies, and dwarf galaxies. Elliptical galaxies are the largest galaxies, which usually contain more than 1 trillion stars. Spiral galaxies are the most common galaxies and can host anywhere from about 30,000 to 1 trillion stars. The third type, dwarf galaxies, are the smallest. Galaxies merging together. When two galaxies are of similar size and are approaching each other, they will merge into a larger galaxy. Galaxies being torn apart. When two galaxies collide and one galaxy is much bigger than the other galaxy, three things could happen. The smaller galaxy could get torn apart and merge with the larger galaxy. The torn galaxy could also separate into several pieces that made satellite galaxies. The galaxy could also become a satellite without being torn apart, meaning they would just fall into the orbit of the larger galaxy. The NGC 7714 galaxy is being torn apart by its neighboring galaxy NGC 7715. Collision. In about 5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy will collide. This collision will create a galaxy. The galaxy will have about 1,450 billion stars. It would be the largest galaxy in the local group. Time to research. You should research about this topic and answer the question in one word or a sentence with Q2 before the answer. My question is, what is the largest galaxy that we have discovered? My theory. When the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy collide, they will create a very bright explosion which will be visible for light years across. It will also create a huge collision. Several stars will get thrown out of each galaxy. The two galaxies will eventually merge and create an elliptical galaxy. The second closest galaxy to the Milky Way after the Andromeda galaxy, the Triangulum galaxy, would also take part in this collision because it is moving closer to the Andromeda galaxy.
If you learned something new today, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your family members and friends. And don't forget to write the answers in the comment section below, because in the next video, we are going to take your name. And for more of this series, Two Big Mysteries, our next topic is going to be about the unsinkable ship Titanic and how did the moon form. Thank you and bye.
Bye.